Want to download Instagram Reels in full, original quality, straight from the app itself? No third-party website needed? I'm going to show you the official method Instagram already built in, and it takes less than a minute. This is SolvePoint. If you're new here, hit subscribe for more quick tech how-tos like this one. Let's get into it. Start by opening the Instagram app and heading to your Reels feed. Find any video you want to save. This works on basically any reel you come across. Tap the share icon on the reel, then swipe across the row of options until you reach Download. Tap it, and the download will start right away. That's it. The video saves in its original, full-quality format directly to your device, the same way it would through any other download method, just without needing a separate app or website. And that's the full method. Official, fast, and completely free. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe to SolvePoint for more simple tech tips every week. See you in the next one.